Well, BB, you're sounding real good in the Northeast corner, ain't no doubt about it. Just keep up the good work. Hey, BB, we all, when I was younger, man, I've been in this game for 54 years, man, and, I love the hobby, ain't no doubt about it, but, it's always been a hobby to me. Take care, BB, Drag Man, Northeast corner on my number 2 station, back wide.
That guy thinking number 2 station doing his thing. You all by yourself. I ain't hearing about no kid with you, girl.
Hey, Grease Monkey. Hey, Grease Monkey. They say if you call a mud duck, you're gonna turn into a mud duck. They say if you call Patricia, Patricia's gonna climb out from underneath her bed there. Break up.
And I bought this something bigger. I want to play with it. You know what I'm saying, Greg? I want to play with this something bigger. I couldn't do anything. I'm not holding.
Hey, Grease Monkey, where the hell did you go there, Bacon? Hey, Grease. Hey, Grease.
Fine job of going on your own. Hey, BB, most horse said I think you did a real fine job of going on your own. BB, most horse is sitting around Delaware said thumbs up.
He's gonna scream for a green banana, breaker.
Station, and they allow me to be able to do what I want to do, and I can key down how I want to key down. But my daddy passed, so I went from calling myself the Pennsylvania Pimp to Drag Man, because if it wasn't for my daddy, it wouldn't have been me. Hey, BB, you hear what I'm saying to you? Break.
Well, Grease Monkey, let me see if this is any better. I was a barefoot radio show.
Well, you was dishing out number 9 and get 525 on the put ass mouth that way you shut up. Oh, Grease Monkey, most wanna go.
Say if you call Patricia. I think you heard me.
I've been in this company a long time myself. And they always tell me, raise your money up. Raise your money up and buy something. That's what they're trying to help. They're trying to take something out of it. And you ain't gonna get.
Hey, Grease Monkey, let me do it like this. I play with that boy. He's pissed off at me because I put that moron.
Hey, man, Grease Monkey told me meant what I said. Take one of them bananas and put in his mouth so he can shut up. Monkey, Grease Monkey, you're most wanted guy.
Old Drag Man, pulling on miles of Pennsylvania, made his work ways back wide.
And that got me walking the dog in the wheat field. Hey, Drag, take care of my thing. I'm gonna get out of here also. Hey, Drag, BB.
Don't be afraid. Key it up.
Hey, Grease Monkey, that's Smokey. Give me that banana, Grease Monkey, most wanted guy.
He's crying like a girl. Look at that.
I don't hear nobody but you. Hey, BB, listen to me real good. I'm gonna say this one time. I don't hear nobody but you. BB, God bless you. God keep you. Drag Man, poking on mountains of Pennsylvania. The king.
Grease Monkey, Grease Monkey, most wanted, so slow key. Grease Monkey, most wanted guy.
Wrong guy. No damn competition, but bye.
You said you're going to tell me, I'm gonna go back and read the mail. I'm gonna do a bad thing. I want to do something.
Now let me go back on my driver. Let me go back.
Hey, Grease Monkey,
Key on me if I go on my driver. Hey, Grease Monkey. Patricia needs a green banana.
Hey, 931, hello to you, man. I gotta go 10-7. I'm doing some work. Sounding good. Take care. 931. Drag Man, poking on mountains of Pennsylvania. I'm back 10-7. I got to go, y'all. Bye.
Hey, Grease Monkey, just tell him I slapped him one more time. Tell him to take this to the bank.
Hey,
control the Buckeye State too, Grease Monkey. I got down.
Whoa. Hey, Grease Monkey, tell 525 to leave my friend alone. Hey, Grease Monkey, the Northeast gonna go say leave. Most wanted, hold on. That's my friend.
Okay, so you can see that he was behind me. Break up, break up.
It's rough and tough out there around DX land on 497. One step around to the side, no doubt about it. Be unit 497, worldwide Clyde up here in Baltimore, Maryland. Standing 1010.
But that's what I am. All the girls. Grease Monkey, listen to 525. All the girls come out and they try to they can't touch it. They can't touch it. I call it.
Don't wait for him. Don't wait for him.
Tell those girls to go get their husbands because 525 is the mean old man. Bye-bye.
Okay, 549, I'm getting no doubt.
Hey, Grease Monkey, we got a man in the city right now. Hey, Grease Monkey, you should be able to miss you. Grease Monkey, we got a man in the city right now.
Competition, no competition. Is the mean old man. Bye-bye.
He got a man sitting on his lap right now, Grease Monkey. Hey, Grease
Girls, nothing but a bunch of pale talk girls. That's what they are. Nothing but a bunch of pale talk girls. Bye-bye.
Good Lord, there you go again. Hey, Big Peter, there you go again. He's still on the line. Oh. Hey, Big Peter. Hey, Big Peter, what's going on, Big Peter, boy?
But
can hit the foot pedal 4 times.
I'm gonna show you.
Here I come. Big Cokie, Big Cokie, Big Cokie, Big Cokie. Big Cokie, Big Cokie, Big Cokie, Big Cokie. Big Cokie, Big Cokie, Big Cokie. And Big Peter, Big Cokie got down. Big Cokie, Big Cokie, Big Cokie. Big Cokie, Big Cokie. I'm gonna give him some goat milk. I'm gonna give him some goat milk. I'm gonna give him some goat milk 4 times. Big Peter, I'm the man, 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 I'm the man. Hey, Big Peter, let him know I'm the man from the northeast corner. Click, click. And I'm turned 7. No bogus bars, I'm turned 7. He can have his radio back. Hey, Big Peter, he can have his radio back. I'm turned 7. Bye-bye. I'm turned 7. He can get his radio back, Big Peter. I'm gone. Hey, Big Peter, I'm gonna cut it. No competition, bye-bye.
Me?
You don't want to keep it. No more, bye-bye.
Still 10 feet off the ground. Still 10 feet off the ground.
Hey, Big Peter, I slow key on that.
I got down, Captain.
He should have stood with that Cokie bill. He should have stood with that Cokie bill. He got rid of that Cokie bill, now he's a duck. He got rid of that Cokie bill, and now he's a mutt duck. 1-800 Cokie bill. I got down.
Bit more.
No competition. 0525, the mean old man. Controlling my east side, my Buffalo, New York, and the Buckeye.